Hi, Nick Collier here, and this is my shop. Come join me. We'll have some fun. We found a small bit. It's going to be able to get in there and do what it needs to do. Almost got stopped by that. This is the only one I have in my arsenal that's small enough. Okay, we come back to zero. Oh, let's tighten that bit up. Back to zero. Okay. And come up. Bring it back. Bring our bit down till it clears. Right about there. I think we're ready to go. Is it gonna hit anything? I'm not thinking it's gonna. Let's get ready to go around and see what we got. I think it's looking pretty good. So far, so good. I think I like it. I don't like that speed. Okay, we got ourselves a cut going here. Now what I want to do is just take a general measurement and see about where I'm at. I definitely don't want to go too big. I don't think I'm there even close, but it's worth checking. And we come back into here, and we're still another 50 thousandths or so, but that's getting pretty close. So I think what I want to do at this point is drop the table down and put my plug in there and see what that looks like. First thing I'm going to have to do is go cut this plug off. So I'll be back. All right, let's see what we got. Well, as far as I can tell, that thing hasn't got any wiggle at all. Super tight. Now let's see how it goes in here. No, we're good. Okay, and so it fits right up to that. What is that, about, oh, I don't know, 3/16 from the bottom there. So we got a ways to go. All right, bring it back up. Bring this back down. Well, we can just bring it over. Okay. We're down where we want to be. We got the camera centered. Everybody's happy. Let's go. Okay, we got just a little bit of wiggle up on top there, but I think we're going to be okay. No, in fact, once I push it in, it's fine. Okay, so we've got just maybe another 5 or 10. Let's just take this down. Go in, touch it. Good and tight. We're still a little high though, I think. I don't know. No, just a smidge. Okay, we'll take another 5. All right, I think that's just about what we want. Nice and tight. Good show. Boy, in fact, I put it in by hand. It's really hard to get back out. Cool. I like it. I like it. All right, so that's that. We got that all set up. We're ready to go. I think we can deburr that by hand. I think we're set. Well, there we go. We did it. This is one of those projects where every step of the way worked perfectly. I mean, I was even worried about the threads a little bit because they're just, you know, now that I've run them back and forth half a dozen times, they're a little looser than I would normally want threads. But then I went over at the very last thing because I had that worry, and I put it on the shaft of the original, and they're loose as a goose. In fact, mine are just a little bit tighter than this one. So that even worked perfectly. We started with our little clay plug just to kind of get an idea of what was going on. We went on to make a metal positive of the hole, and then finished it off by getting the right angle on that one, and then came in and got this baby to fit tight. Let's see if I can, yeah, it's now that it's in. Oh shit, I can't get it out. Okay, there we go. So one tie rod for, I think, an old Jeep or something like that. Anyhow, he couldn't buy another one, so he had to have one made. And hey, we had fun with this one. This one was a great project. And this is Nick Collier checking out.